talk to me. I'm trying to understand you. You keep making these excuses about why you can't talk to me. Why don't you take it out on me? Take it out on me. Take it out on me. Why don't you take it out on me? Take it out on me.
Ryan at Dog Adventure Japan, good morning. Question. You see the videos where people wake up and they're like, yeah, let's hit the road. I am not one of those people. I'm not a morning person. Anyways, today's episode 4. We got other mini episodes that are coming out with solo trips. Those are going to be like a different kind of program or something. Anyway, we're heading down to Irōzaki Cape. It's the furthest south of the Izu Peninsula, the first you can go. There's a lighthouse there. The scene's supposed to be fantastic. And a dog cafe. I think it's a Spice Dog. We've always wanted to go there, so we're gonna go there, have some lunch too, see if we can get some other spots as well. Don't know, can't guarantee it. How the weather is, how the time frame goes, road and everything else and stuff too. So without further ado, let's get ready and go.
Don't know how, but now I'm healing. And it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings. Don't know how, but now I'm healing. And it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings. I don't know how, but now I'm healing. And it feels like you make me wanna show my feelings.
Down the furthest south, Iro, a place called Iro Bay, where the lighthouse is. It's been rebuilt and redone. The parking is 500 yen to get in. We are going to ride the boat today, but the wind is at 8 meters per second, so the boat's not going out. You can see that in the video of the waves. The ocean's pretty rough today, but we're going to go down a hike, go look at the cave area. Little fun fact is our father-in-law built the lighthouse, his company, so hey, let's go down and take a look at it, okay? Are allowed, even the big ones are allowed. Anyways, we had good food. The curry was excellent. They offer a double dish, which you can order 2 different kinds of curries. Right there looks really good. It was really, really good. The tea was made fresh. It was excellent. Cream was right on the money. But the place is really cool. Bus drives by. The place is really like a vintage surfing place. It's really nice. Staff is really great. Food was really good actually, and not a high price at all. You know, the menu's right there. You can see what's on there. At the end, at the cash register, they had sweets, and of course we had to get them. So, anyways, this place is really cozy and really cute. Got ours for the drive. Pepper, chocolate, banana, and pepper. I think it's black pepper. I think it's like the crushed stuff. We'll try it out. Anyways, they said it was really good. Definitely stop by this place. Definitely stop by this place and have some food. It seems like they have a lot of different stuff and pastas and everything else. There's a menu again. Take a look at it, but it's really cozy. We're gonna get on our way. You guys have fun. Let's go.